What up, peeps? I thought I'd try something a little different, a little change. I think you're gonna like it. Stick around.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So on today's episode, we're gonna do what we're gonna call the K&R beef dip. We got ourselves a little rump roast right here that we're gonna be throwing on the smoker. We got our French bread. Got some garlic. Got some green onion. Provolone cheese. The chupacabra. Stick of seasoning. We're gonna douse all over that. Some beef broth, and of course some salt and pepper. So I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you. I think you guys are gonna enjoy this. Stick around. We're gonna get this friggin' thing slathered up with some beef rub and then throw it on the grill. Smoker. Oh, that jazz. It's gonna be delicious! Alright, so we got this lovely little booty roast. Smack that booty! No? Alright. Anyways, we've got it now at room temperature. We're gonna get some of this chupacabra on it. Make sure we get that. All over it. Don't miss any of the spots. Make sure it's all over it. All up in there. All right. So, I've had the smoker going for about 20 minutes. Got that up to temperature 250. We're gonna run this out there. We're gonna slap this on the friggin' grill and let this smoke away. Set up, running at 250. Get our meat probage in there. What we're gonna look for, internal temperature of about 160. Should be perfect. All right, peeps. It's now time to work on the au. The au. It's actually pretty simple, pretty basic. We're gonna be using beef broth, some green onions, garlic, and some salt and pepper. And we're gonna boil that. Well, maybe not boil it, but get it warmed up, get it stirred up, get it mixed together. And that's pretty much it, man. So let's get all this stuff chopped up, smashed up, and go. All right, even gonna break out the news. Woo! Let's take a look, shall we? Let's check on it. See how she's doing. Alright, let's get the bad boy heated up. Put it on medium low. Alright, let's check out this au jus. Give it some stirs. Ooh, man, you can smell that pepper, them onions, that garlic in there. Ooh, doggies. That's gonna be delish. That's almost done. It's almost done. We're gonna pull it out, let it rest, and then start slicing that thing up super thin. We're gonna get our French bread all buttered up, put some skizzle to it. I think we're gonna be ready, man. But are you guys ready? I don't think so. I don't think so. All right, peeps, the alarm just went off. 1:35. That meat has reached its ideal temp. Ooh, doggies. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get that meat thermometer out of there. Put it off to the side. Get that put over here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this grill all shut down, get it inside, and we'll let this bad boy rest until it's beautifully ready. Not to mention, I don't know if you noticed, it's raining. Good times, good times. All right, been about 15 minutes. How about we slice this bad boy open, huh? Oh. Look at that. Look at that gloriousness right there. But hey, let's not take my word for it. How about our famous taste tester, shall we?
So, Kyle Personality 1 had to step away for just a second. Kyle Personality number 2, the more festive Kyle, has come on over to get a sample of today's menu. So, Kyle Personality number 2, how about you go ahead and grab a piece of that meat? I'll
tell you what, man, I've been super excited about this. I done smelled this all the way down the road, and I was like, there's no flipping way that I'm gonna miss out on a little piece of this. So let me just take a little sample since old boy stepped away. Holy smokies. Oh, Lordy.
Now tell us how you really feel. Do you like it? Because I don't think the audience could really tell.
Oh my Lanta, Smoky Mountains, goodness gravies. That is the most firest meat I've ever had in my mouth. And let me tell you something, I've eaten a lot of meat before. What on God's green earth was that?
Why are you letting people in here trying to taste your food?
I'll tell you what, man, once you start lighting up the grills and the smokers, y'all know that the craziest people come done rolling right into your property to see what's going on.
All right.
But, since a boy got to, let me try a little piece. Look at that little piece over here. Look at that little piece. Man, look at that, man. Look at that shit. Look at that smoke ring. What? I'll tell you what, that chupacabra seasoning, that is so fire. Oh my Lord, that has just saturated that meat. Tell you what now, homie, I'm taking this, I'm gonna put it on that bread, melt that cheese on it, and we're gonna get our dip on. Big dip in the his house. about we take a little test of the achu? Achu. Woo. Boy, man, got a little spice of the kick from the garlic and from the pepper. Those onions are just flavoring that boy all up, plus a little bit of salt. Boy, I can't wait. All right, let's get this bread ready. What I always love about gas stoves, fire them bad boys right back up. Now you know that in most RVs that we don't have a broiler option. So what we do is we break out torch. Melt that cheese right on top. All right, my beautiful taste tester.
Don't try to suck up. It won't work.
All right, we're doing the dip. Yeah? You want to expand on flavor profiles, or what you're thinking, or is gonna be it?
I'm good.
Here, folks, once again, and we're back. I can't wait to see what comes out in more and more videos. But we appreciate you watching, man. If you guys decide to give this a try, definitely let me know. Respond down in the comments. Let me know how it goes. But we appreciate you. We love you. Thanks for sticking it out with us. Peace.